was a friend of mine. They took him to Pastor Kumuyi in Lagos. And the person that took him there knows Pastor Kumuyi personally. If I call the person's name, you know him. He's a very big minister in London. He asked Pastor Kumuyi to lay hands. So Pastor Kumuyi, he connected. And when he came back from his journey, he told the pastor, if we lay hand of this one, the anointing will be wasted. My friend, so he came back from that prayer meeting that didn't hold. Came and told me, I see you. They went before pastor. They had the privilege for pastor to lay hands on him. And pastor, this man I'm telling you is a prophet. This my friend. In fact, he was even ministering in the service, very high in spirit. And he told me that he missed an opportunity. But what God is showing him now is that I will have the opportunity in this. And he was crying. That thing Pastor Kumuyi said came to pass 4 years later. 4 years later. And the problem this my prophet had was that he was a servant of sin, highly anointed. But what the greater prophet saw was that there was no conduit. There was no conduit. If you channel something, it will not pass to the side because self will trap it. It